how to buy a RINO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, make sure to take a look on the X account, even if they have just a little bit or a little community. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to the screen, as you can see. Now, this is the information of this token, and as you can see, they said here that 100% of liquidity is locked. That means your investment in the safe place. Now this token came under the Solana network. Now the best wallet to buy this token is by using the Phantom wallet. Now go and copy the token address and go to Phantom wallet, like here. Now click on swap, and as you can see, make sure to have enough Solana on your network. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. Now after that, click on Rino, and here enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you receive of that token. From here, just select the provider, for example Jupiter. Now make sure to read all of this information from here, and after you click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a RINO token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.